about to get crazy up in this motherfucker. With my bullet-tongue assassins lyrically murdering bars and serving all of y'all. Brazil.
Searching for the bullet that spit is slow.
Norway.
With the speed of the mouth and max it.
Ohio. Mississippi. Marinama Haiku, Pilipinas. You know what's poppin'.
Let me get out of my chosen military minded thug. Searching for the bullet that spit is slow. Who's ready for action? With the speed of the mouth and max it. I'm fresh in a second, they're killing them. I'm running, I'm still looking for more. So many motherfuckers looking at me, gotta be giving me a reason to hold it down. Am I going if you look into the brain? You see nothing but pain, cause I'm going through it, man. Should I pick up my life? I can't take the fuckers and murder up on the mind. Every time I know you motherfuckers deeper than a night. Push back and knock the fire in your eyes, bitch. Back then when I started to grow, I had everyone over like an overdose. And I got a little hominy comatose on this dope shit. Sick with a panic flow. You can never fucking jump, you can never fucking rip it out of big and bumpy. Let me have a spin, it's up a bitch. It's all up in the blood tea. I breathe on the mic, I'm hungry. It's all in the veins of me. Rushing deep onto my brain. Wanna back down, wanna get down, put the gap down, hard as that sound. Bustin' like I'm in the Mac now, that's my rap style. Cause I'm with the Filipino bullet tongue, ill city all the way to Pack Town. Taking the main stage for the rap crowd, this is bigger than payday. Better make way, I'm crazy, sorry and shit, yo, forever be taking in the background. I don't wanna take any attention away from you, don't wanna be the one to mention. When they were talking about the baddest rappers that are independent, but yeah, it's true. You can verify the next sentence. I'm much better than you, and I meant it. What can I do? Get on my level, I'm sick of the amount of people that don't wanna put the work in and it's endless. Let me talk to the fans one time as a handle, man. I wanna give you what you like. Thank you for understanding what I'm planning, and I said I'm not a criminal, but I'm a killer on the mic. Taking the ball up, you said that we did it in a cipher, I did it in a fight. Thanks for giving me advice, telling me that stops like pussy, gonna give me tight. I see a lot of hands waving in the air, everything is now ours for the taking this year. And the haters, they reappear, making threats, I'll give them 5 seconds of what they wanna hear. Kill him, gotta get the dollar bill, finger on the trigger, ready to deliver, put him in the motherfucking river. What you really wanna do? I'll be standing in front of you and you ain't shit.
Got the formula. Every time I get up on the microphone, I'm about to get it, so you better get the coroner. You about to win it, disappear for your world, ride minute, about to deliver the business. You wanna join the world, put some more syllables in it. We know it's been in a minute, but I've been feeling like the X-Man storming ya. Don't be acting like you never seen it coming. International bullet tongue, I'm really just warming up. Now I ain't never seen a better contender. You trying to get the position, but I've been out performing ya. Telling me I'm next up, then I'm yelling yes sir. You gon' try to step up, but I'm warning ya. Anybody with an evil intention finna get beat in a minute, and I've been ready for the war with ya. And when the Lord is anointed ya, you and the Holy Spirit feeling like transforming up. Who gon' stop it? Nobody. I'm about to make you feeling it. Nobody. You don't wanna speak but the best unless you got your best to believe I so got it. Lyrical bullets get the blind, we really be death-defying. Step in the middle with some money that'll be justified. So they wanna hold it fire, then I say never mind. They should've never crossed the line, they probably finna die. You ain't got the juice and all you doing is lying. You ain't never been the truth, so step into an environment where you gotta get loose. I guarantee we gon' find who really show all the proof. I ain't better get rid of a competitive veteran, never dealing with steady with a rundown. But I got a feeling you gon' need some adrenaline, man. I'm drilling my enemies, you about to
I hear my people like the music people want. So wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. That I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red. I hear my people like the music people want. So wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. That I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red or I'm.
Aquecimento, alinhando o pensamento rumo ao cerne de toda essa loucura. Alguém para o mundo pudesse fumar um beck. Detestem, nos testem, decepariam minha perna se pudessem. O que eles temem ver o negro amado conscientizado disparando, ajoelhem e rezem. Disse que me viu, mentiu, filho da puta agora vai ter que provar. Em território hostil, ouviu meu depoimento, vai aguçar, desbravar, aflorar, conspirar, derrubar. Pode pá, resistência lírica, lírica. Como podem ver, essa porra já ganhou medidas internacionais. Agradeço ao universo, por torcendo já tô irracionais. Uso esta habilidade para excomungar demônios que eu criei. E nessa jornada vou colecionando almas que no momento cativei. Coloquei santos no mapa quando eles eram tudo só pré-milling. O meu flow é tão doente, receitaram camisa de força pra mim. Maldição ou bênção, já não importa, vejo o caminho que trilhei. O que já perdi, ganhei, nessa encarnação no mínimo já representei.
Some people don't believe in me, some believe in secrecy. They wait to see if I'ma be anything that I'm trying to be. Bucking yard and now the heat, I'm on a like inside with me. Reminding me of probably try to climb my damn psychology. You really gotta know what I've never been the kind of motherfucker that would give a damn. Because I'm about to be the only one to give up out of my city. But I don't gotta pop, I gotta pop, I think I damn. And I'm looking at my situation, thinking I'm a ticket to a better level when I'm in the head. Gonna do what I feel, I gotta put together my head. little bit of giving up, I kill them in a bang. I don't ever need somebody tell them make a thing. Especially to be compared to the brother in the plane. I'll be on a mission every day. Gotta stop, I gotta stay up, I'll ever be considered to be great. More than on the way to bigger, nothing when I never know, I know, but I never let it go, but let it change. Baby, underrated, but I'm gonna fit to get into it. I think I'm related, I can pay it to be care. But I'm gonna appreciate it, but I'm dedicated in the way the other bit is the one I'm gonna make it there. Never let the wake up, anybody sleeping, I'll be double with you motherfuckers till the energy gets snared. I'm the kind of bitch you gotta see to believe. Some people if you see it, but the vision they appeared.
Estamos de volta pra quem desacreditou. Caçadores de harmonia e família maltantes. torcendo meu tom, repito, põe mandamento, volume do som. Quero ver você que fala, companheira, se levanta pra da voz que vem do gueto, não me dê respeito, não se cala, pode me chamar aqui, eu venho toda vez. Os entalhes, além de me saber. Do Brasil a Filipina, meu rap alucina, entra na sua mente, feito vírus com a minha memória. What's up, my brother? Leva que me nota, segue muda, se incomoda, ponto dois, devendo causar impacto na rocha. Te quebra, destroça, seu corpo desossa, sei que te incomoda, foda-se, motherfucker. Caçador de harmonia na levada, sinistro, envolvente, por ser diferente. Estaciona sua mente, semeando uma semente de um passado recente. Eu sei que muitos entendem o que eu quero dizer. A vida vale muito mais do que parece ser. Pensa bem, veja bem, respeita pra quem tem. Já não faça de si mesmo, eu sou teu refém. Tudo que parece bom, quando faz
I
bem.
hear my people like the music people want. So wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell at me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. Then I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red. I hear my people like the music people want. So wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell at me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. Then I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red. You take them all down, never this trick, separate general, everybody gonna bow, bow. Got up in around the center of the universe when I'm at them all thugs, when I'm ready to kill a bird. Anybody wanna step up, better step up, better rhythm, better bass injecting, get a better when you flicker in a double blade, but I give a few strain, but I was already faded, and faded, and faded, and faded. The ball, coming between my goals, think down my path, when around, when I spread my wings like a hawk and soar to the heavenly sky, you the drop stuff on. When I bust my chest, then I rap some ready for war, when I'm at lyrically, then I'm ready for combat. MOTHUGPINS, so let your fists rise. Jumping in the body when somebody try to come. How many more wanna rap where I'm from the ill side, west side, ill said it does, let me put my hood on the back to the war. Kiss the song of the top, you never rip that dip and walk the chunk, you don't know me, hold that by the tongue, motherfucker better tune in down. Separated the 7 to 7 when I find it, put my brothers in the game, with the honor, feel a bit of a shame, there's somebody out there with the egg, for the separate, running in the rain, high, with a killer weed. Follow me, follow me, follow me, murder the 1 and the 7, they coming together, we keep it together, we running up, motherfucker, better believe me, we don't wanna finish, show you why they call me the Filipino. My people like the music people want, so wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell at me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. Then I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red. I hear my people like the music people want, so wanna hear me sing, some people fucking don't. They yell at me murder, 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 bang, 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 bang. Then I be smoke hit that track me red or I'm a red or I'm a red or I'm bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. I'm a bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. Assassin, bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. I'm a bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. Assassin, bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. I'm a bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. Assassin, bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. I'm a bullet tongue, bullet, bullet, bullet tongue. Assassin, assassin.